love Sosa, oh and I know it. Fucking with them old ones, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes love cheese Sosa. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it off of Sosa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of grown boys. Die y'all some robots, die y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boys. Sosa, and they love them glow boys. No, we gonna go, boy, but we cannot go, boy. No, I don't know, oh boy, I know he's a bro, boy. Rarries and Rovers, durable and bows, boy. You know I got bands, boy, and it's in my pants, boy. Disrespect them old boys, you won't speak again, boy. Don't think that I'm playing, boy. No, we don't use hands, boy. No, we don't do friends, boy. The left bands on the landlord. I can lots some commas, I can fuck your mama. I ain't with the drama, you can meet my llama. Riding with 300, with 300 ballers. These bitches see cheese Sosa, I swear I got they all now. These bitches love Sosa, oh and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes love cheese Sosa. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it off of Sosa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of grown boys. Die y'all some robots, die y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boys. Don't make me call you Rose boy, D6 double O boy. And he keep that point boy, you gon' get fucked over. Bitch I done so soda, and I done so coca. She gon' clap for Sosa, he gon' clap for Sosa. They do it for Sosa, them hoes that's all for Sosa. They don't want that Molly water, so nigga be cool like water. Before you get hit with this lobby, bitch on the trending topic. Don't care no price, I copy me, and yo bitch steady jocking me. These bitches love Sosa, oh and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes love cheese Sosa. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it off of Sosa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of grown boys. Die y'all some robots, die y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boys.
Hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies, you the one for the mother guys. At the start I told a couple lies, but after that I swear I really tried. Cut the real about my past niggas, and I hope you never thinking otherwise. Sometimes my mind takes me places and I wonder why. Why the fuck you got two phones, nigga, what you doing on that other line? Shit better be some money talk or some beef talk or another vibe. I don't play about a side bitch, and you heard me say it about 100 times. Let me try and keep it sexy for you, we can talk about that another time. Love your ass in the worst way, let you hit it on the first day. What you gon' do for Big Mama for real? What do I get for my birthday? 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 You gotta put in some work today. Can you please do the most for me, cause I'm sprung? Can you give me some good dick till I come? Then can you make me nut again, where's your tongue? Can I please get a pink cloud with a drum?
Waynesboro part-time excellent. She might be a tourist, a terrorist. A hell's name dragging like she haven't seen law. We can go sightseeing and all that. She can be wifey and all that. She's the tourist, I'm a tour guide. Cause he just bullshit, I hit bullseye. But we got that light-headed red eyes. I told her don't worry, we stay high. Plus there's a bed on my tour bus, so you can get fucked as we pull up. I pull up like skirt in New Orleans. I pull up a skirt and get gnarly. She come to Wayne Rock at the party, and all of my tourists is fun. God is great.
Glorilla. 7 p.m. Friday, it's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love a freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shoulders, yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and then y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shoulders, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. Off a fifth of head, getting fucked up with my twin. Got a backwood full of top and a bankroll full of beans. All that Twitter typing, bitches see me and ain't do nothing. Crop top with some biker shorts, I'm showing off my moose nut. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your pay. Got a brown skin nigga with dreads and a black ass nigga with waves.